Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and happy new year to you all. So it's been a while, so let's start this year off right. So today I'm going to be doing a glowy, radiant, natural makeup look for you all. We're going to start this year off clean, and this is going to be my first entry for the TheBlendGames competition. It's on Instagram. I believe their description or their link in the description box below. So this is also a first impressions new makeup to me video as well. I have a few new products that I recently got my hands on, so let me stop rambling and let's get into the video. Oh, and before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed down below. It's free. Make sure that your notification button is turned on as well so you'll never miss out on an upload, and give this video a big thumbs up. So that long introduction is done, so let's get on to the video. All right, so the first product that I picked up from Ulta, this is the Illuminating face primer from e.l.f. The first entry for this competition is called Clean Slate. So in my mind I said, clean slate, okay, fresh face basically, because we're starting the new year off. So why not start with a fresh clean base, and then once the year progresses we're just going to build it up, okay? All right, so I can't forget to color correct. I just want to talk about my goals, well, manifest them. So of course we're still reaching the hit the 1,000 subscriber goal, get this channel monetized. So I'm definitely manifesting a monetized channel this year and continued growth, concealing that with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Okay, so I definitely had to go in with another primer. I went into a hydrating primer from what is this called? The Hangover RX primer from Too Faced, because that e.l.f. one was doing something funky with my skin, and yeah, no, it was not giving that. For foundation, I am taking the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer from ColourPop. This is in the shade Deep Dark 12W. Now this foundation has been out for a while. Like, I've seen it almost everywhere, but every time I went to Ulta I just never picked it up. But now I have a reason to pick it up. So this looks like it's going to be a pretty good match. Yeah, this is a pretty good match. And I just did 2 pumps on the back of my hand. But back to the goals and accomplishments for this year. Definitely want to continue expanding on my makeup skills and reaching new people. Definitely is a big goal of mine. And being consistent. Like, I know I slacked off a lot. Like, after my Vegas trip I slacked off a lot with recording and creating content. And I don't understand, I don't know what the reason was for that. I don't know, but we're not doing that this year, okay? So I like how glowy that looks right now. Looks pretty good to me. Then I'm taking 2 concealers. The first one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in a satin finish, and this is in the shade Natural or Tan and Neutral. And then I'm taking the Born to Glow Concealer in Warm Caramel. So I'm taking the e.l.f. one first and just plopping that on right here. And then using the Born to Glow and putting that on the outside. To contour, I am taking the shade Rich Ebony. This is from the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer as well. I'm also taking Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Cocoa, which is lighter, so that transition won't be so dramatic. Alright, so I definitely used too much of that Camo concealer because this ain't gonna cut it. Okay, so I'm fixing this right now because this look was about to go way out of hand. So I have to fix it. Alright, I learned a lesson for the new year. When trying new products, start off with a little bit and then build it up, because that was about to go so far left. But let me hop off camera and do my eyebrows, and then we're going to get right back into the look. So our eyebrows are snatched and complete. So to set my face, I am taking my CoverGirl's True Blend Minerals Powder in Banana. To contour, I am taking my Black Radiance Contour or True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm taking contour shade first and just pressing that into the perimeter of my face. And then I'm taking the Sculpt shade and placing that right on top of it. And dusting everything away, making sure that everything is blended into each other. And to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Fit Me Powder Foundation in 360. And then setting the face. Setting spray that I use, this is the Makeup Mist and Set from e.l.f. It's the perfect setting spray to get that hydration back because my face was feeling dry, and it sets everything pretty nicely. The only thing with that is if you do use it, you have to use a sponge to set it in because it does leave streak marks in it, which is not cute, honey. Okay, I wanted to do something real simple with the eyes. I didn't want to do too much because this is a fresh face, so it's going to be little to no makeup on the eyes, but I do want to get some color in the crease to make it seem like I'm awake. We're actually going to go into the Color Book palette from a Revolution in 02. Y'all know it's my brown palette, and I'm going to take a light brown. I'm going to take, let's take this one. Oh no, that's kind of red. Let's take this shade right here and place that on our crease area. Just to give a light wash of color. So bringing that into the, what is this called? What bone is this? The nose bone or side bone? While I'm doing this video, y'all, I have to say, I've been trying to get into the reels on Instagram, which are so freaking difficult. Like, shout out to everybody that knows how to make it look perfect, because child, I really do feel like an old person trying to figure out new technology. Like, TikTok is cool, but them reels, I don't know what it is, but so I'm not going to go too heavy on the brown because I want it to be fresh and so clean. So I just want to place it right here. And I'm not going back into the palette to pick up more product. I don't want this look to be too dark. And I'm going to pick one of the nude shades. I'm going to go into this shade right here, excuse me, this shade right here, just to place on the lid. And then I'm going to take my infallible Never Fail eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris, and I'm going to go as close as I can to my lash line and stopping at the very end of my eye. I'm going to smudge it out just a tad. So it creates a small little wing, but nothing too serious. So I'm going to do this on the other eye, and then I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and then we're going to get right back into the look. All right, the lashes and mascara is on. So the lashes today that I'm wearing are from the Dollar Lash Club. This is the luxury mink lashes in the style Sydney. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen or in the description box below, so you guys can get some money off of your purchase. So I have this blush stick from ColourPop. This is in the shade Mic Drop. A corally pink shade. Now this is my first like cream blush, so I don't really know how to apply this, so I'm going to take a brush to be safe to apply so it gives a light wash of color. For highlighter, I'm taking the Master Chrome in Molten Golden. Natural Glow. Okay. Moving on to the lips, I'm actually going to take that concealer from e.l.f. once again to outline my lips because I do not have a brown liner. And for the center of the lips, I'm going to put on this nude lipstick from Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Lady. And then to top it off, I'm using my Butter Gloss in Madeline. Alright, so I'm going to put on a wig and change my shirt, and we are going to wrap up today's video. Alright, so here we have our finished look. This was interesting. So the Pretty Fresh foundation, I really do like this. It is a medium coverage foundation, so next time when I use this, I will see how much it can build up to. Now the Camo concealers from e.l.f., I do have their matte one, which I do like, but the hydrating one, baby, I have to remember to start off with a light hand and then build it up, because this one can go way left and this one was okay. I just wish it was a little bit more golden, but that's okay. But yeah, those were the, oh, and then the Born to Glow concealer. I like this one. I do want to get it in a lighter shade to see how bright and glowy it will make my under eyes look, so I will pick that up whenever I do make another Ulta run. But yeah, I do like those products together. I'm not completely satisfied with the finish of this look, which is okay. Like it's a light coverage or little too, so it's not as full coverage as I normally like to put my foundation, but it's okay. It's giving what it needs to give for a simple everyday light wearing fresh makeup look. So yeah, everything that I use today will be in the description box below. Make sure you head on over to my Instagram to check out the post. By the time this video is up, the picture will be posted to give it some love. So if you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I am all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of live content. If you like what you saw today, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and push that notification bell as well, so you'll never miss out on an upload. So thank you once again for tuning in, and I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.